Alright, what's going on YouTube? Radicus back here, bringing you guys another video. Here's a POV footage of 2008 Toyota Prius. It's a little drizzle outside, so let's get straight into it. We have a sip of this orange Gatorade. Very refreshing. I just came back from the gym, did some deadlifts. I actually put two 45 plates on the bar on each side, so I think it's like 90. So 90 on each side plus the bar. It was pretty heavy, bro. It was some heavy weight. And literally, when I like did the reps and stuff, I swear I felt like I was turning into like Goku. Like, you know how Goku go like Super Saiyan? Like, I swear to you, like when I was lifting that heavy, let me readjust the hat. When I was lifting that heavy, it literally felt like I was turning into Goku. Don't know how to describe it. If you guys lift, you'll probably know what I feel. I think, you know how like runner's high? There's a thing called runner's high when you're like running for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you like just get in the zone, just get in the zone. So like it was kind of like that. Like it was crazy, bro. Two 45s on each side, so that was 90 plus 90 plus, I think the bar was 60, so could have been pushing over 200 pounds in weight just off the bar for deadlifts. Might record me doing some weightlifting soon. I just don't know the policy at the gym with like cameras and stuff. I know there's like a lot of like government whoa, what is this guy doing? Got that on camera. Guy in a Subaru, he's a wild one. But yeah, guys, I'm just chilling right now. I cleaned up the car interior a little bit. It looks a little bit cleaner to me. But overall, I'm just chilling. Gonna keep making these videos until I can afford a new car, basically. Shout out to everyone watching the videos. It is actually Christmas Eve, so happy holidays to everyone. Enjoy time with your family and yourself. Make sure you improve yourself every day. I'm out here grinding. Woke up, went to the gym, had some leftover kava too. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. It's tough. Little Beamer. Probably doesn't go that fast though, but we're just chilling right now, and like it is crazy, boys. It is raining, but I have all season tires in the front, and like they actually do pretty well in the rain. Not in the snow though. I will admit that right now, they do not do that well in the snow. And I'm gonna go take a right here. So this is me braking. I mean, this isn't really like a brake demo, but the brakes are pretty good in the Prius. We're super adequate. Depends what brake pads you put on, but I think I just put like these standard, I don't know if they're steel or what material they are, but they are really nice. It stops on a dime, and it does the stop on a dime, but like, you're never going to be going like race car speeds in a Prius, really. It does get up to like 80. I'd say like past 80, the car is kind of just like, what are you doing? Like, why are you pushing me past 80? I feel like 80 is kind of like the max speed limit on a Prius, really. It can go higher, but it's just like the brakes aren't meant for it. The tires are pretty small too. I'm gonna note that the tires are small on the car. I don't know if that helps with like being like an economical car, but the tires are a little small, so the road noise you can hear, and like it's not like you don't have like the grip of, compared to like a C-Class sedan or something, or like an E-Class. Like there's a huge difference between like the wheels and stuff. So I believe they're 17-inch or 18-inch. I don't know exactly what the inch on the Prius rims are, but I will look it up. Probably just put it in the video, like edit it in to tell you. But this car is pretty much stock everything. I mean, I don't know what you can modify on the Prius except cosmetically speaking. I wonder if I don't think you can put a turbo in a hybrid. Actually, you can. I'm sorry. You can put a turbo in a hybrid because Mercedes does it. I test drove the GLC 350E, which is like a hybrid SUV, and it had a turbo inline 4 engine with a battery motor, which was pretty epic. Pretty fast car, not gonna lie. But yeah, guys, we're just cruising along this little road. There's a lot of, you know, when it rains, people just slow down on around here. They just take it the slowest way possible. But, you know, I respect it. You know, I want everyone to be safe and all that, but like, it's really crazy sometimes because I'm going like 10 under the speed limit on this road right now. I believe this road is a 50-mile-per-hour road, but, you know, I'm not even gonna complain. It is raining a little bit. But as you can see, visibility is pretty good on the Prius. You know, especially in the rain and stuff. I will say driving the Prius in the snow is not a good idea. I do not recommend driving the snow unless you like have to go to like the hospital or something. You know, like it's like a life or death situation, but I do not recommend driving the Prius in the snow just due to the fact that like it is a heavy car. I'm gonna put the weight in. I forgot what the weight of the car is, but you would think it's light, but because of the battery, electric motor, transmission, all that stuff, it actually adds quite a bit of weight to the car. More so than like a Golf. But, you know, don't quote me 100% on that, but I do know like this is not like a little itsy bitsy light car, not like a Fiat 500 or anything like that. But it is, you know, economical. It shuts off, so I'm at the stoplight and the, you know, I'm not using any gas right now. Motors just shut off. Save a ton of gas from this. Really smart system. And, you know, well made by the Toyota car maker. So, gotta yield right here. There should be a left turn signal light here, because there is another one on the other side where they can turn left. But let's see, I think I'm good. Okay guys, so like I said, like I just went over some of like the basic stuff in this car. I'm gonna keep making these videos. Super excited for everyone. Enjoy, you know, the happy holidays, spend time with your loved ones and yourself, take care of yourself. And like I said, please like this video, subscribe for more content. Catch you guys soon. America's out. Peace.